Hi guys, welcome back! In previous video I talked about how and when to start the baby-led weaning and shared some tips and tricks about starting solids. Today I'm gonna talk about proper preparation and cutting food for baby-led weaning. In general, until your baby can chew and swallow or chew and spit out foods, avoid crumbly foods like dried crackers, hard and coin-shaped foods. All of these are choking hazards. Before serving any vegetables and fruits to your baby, be sure to check that they can be easily smashed between your thumb and forefinger. Steam, roast or saute veggies until they are tender. While your baby uses a palmar grasp, usually until about 8-9 months old, cut foods into finger size. When the baby develops a pincer grasp, typically at around 8-9 months old, you can start offering soft, easily meshed foods that are about the size of chickpea. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I cut different food for my baby starting from 6 months. Cut carrot into adult finger-sized sticks and roast or cook until they can be easily meshed. Once baby has developed the pincer grasp, cut into chickpea-sized tender cooked bites. The same idea with bell pepper. Offer tender cooked finger-sized asparagus stalks. Starting from 8-9 months old, continue offering tender cooked whole stalks or chickpea-sized bites. Offer the tender cooked whole stem and floret. The stem makes a natural handle so that your baby can grasp it easily and nibble off the top. Starting from 8-9 months, continue offering the whole stem with the floret or cut it into smaller pieces. Smash cooked sweet peas slightly and offer to baby on a preloaded spoon before developing the pincer grasp. Great tomatoes as well as grapes should be always cut into quarters lengthwise because round food is a major choking hazard. From 8-9 months you can offer smaller bites or continue with quarters. If strawberry is big enough that it cannot fit into your OK sign, then you can offer to baby the whole strawberry. If you have any doubts, it's better to slice them or chop into smaller pieces and offer once baby has developed the pincer grasp. But before that, smash or spread the berries on toast fingers that you have coated with a thin layer of nut butter. Because berries are smaller pieces of fruit, they can be difficult for babies who use a palmar grasp. The same idea with raspberries. Starting from 6 months, offer to baby smashed blueberries. From around 9 months you can cut them in half or keep offering the smashed ones. The texture of very ripe banana is ideal for babies. Offering it peeled only halfway down can help give babies a better grip. But my baby would start eating the peel, so I removed it and offered a whole piece or cut into strips and later from 9 months into small size bites. Ripe avocado is easily mashed, soft and nutrient-dense, making it one of the best first foods for babies. Offer peeled sliced wedges of ripe avocado. If it's too slippery for baby to grasp, roll it in hemp hearts or ground flax seeds for easier gripping. Starting from 9 months you can offer smaller bites. The same idea with mango. Before serving oranges, remove the peel, seeds and inner skins, then segment and cut into chickpea-sized bites. Toast the bread slightly so that the bread is not mushy and doesn't easily crack off into smaller pieces. Also, cut the edges and offer a finger-sized strips with smashed avocado, nut butter or berries. Offer finger-sized sticks of cooked firm or extra firm tofu. Starting from 9 months, chop it into small-sized bites. Serve hard-boiled eggs quartered lengthwise into vertical wedges. What about the food with a puree texture like applesauce, yogurt or oatmeal? I found that offering puree along with the finger foods worked better for my baby and me. She was excited to try different textures of food. I offered purees the baby-led weaning way by serving them on a preloaded spoon and let my baby scoop it up by hand. The main idea here is that baby is self-feeding. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like. Also share in the comments your baby's favorite first food. See you in the next video. Bye!